the initial glance of that is let's look at an average retail dealer today, right? Lead comes into the CRM. The first thing they'll do, they'll call, they'll email, they'll text, right? Try to get a hold of them. And they're going to get a hold of them. And most likely, only thing they're going to do is try to get them in. It's appointment setting. We still operate that we're only measured by physical output, meaning how many calls did you do, dials, text messages sent, emails, and appointments scheduled, right? Customer now comes in and they're coming in on let's say the lead was a Toyota Tacoma. They come in, salesperson's mind is one place. Show them the Tacoma. That's all. That's why they're here. And a lot of times we bypass what drew you to the Tacoma. Why do you like it? What are you going to use it for? Do you have a family? Are they ever going to use it? Like, do you drive on highway? Do you drive in city? Like, we stopped understanding our customers. Now, I will say, best salespeople on the planet still do this like clockwork. But the majority of salespeople just focus on only what the customer has told them. That's their limited perspective. And I look at that and I say, well, using data, we can change that. We can understand the customer behaviorally and help the salesperson bridge that gap without a very lengthy conversation. Now, I still think you ask customers questions because it allows you to build rapport. But the other side, if I have data fueling those questions, they can be far more valuable. They can get me to where I need to go with that customer faster and ultimately deliver a better experience for that customer. And I look at our business today and we're still kind of caught in this like analog processes, right? And we're trying to throw technology at it, but in a wrong way. And I think we're trying to apply old world technology to modern stuff, and it's just like a clunky disconnect. And this is where I always zoom back conceptually that let's start like we'll go the Elon Musk thinking of first principles and rip it all the way down to pure fact. And fact is only you have a lead and a customer has an interest, doesn't say they're going to buy a car. How do I use data to understand that in total 360 view? How do I put the right information in front of my salesperson to empower that customer on a journey that is personalized and unique for them? And that's far different than the processes we see today in any store.